So today is uh change this to sleeper berth. Sleeper berth. Okay. Today is it's a good day. It's a good day. Today is my 60 days living in this truck. I just want to show exactly what I do. It is Saturday, March 14, 2026. It is 12:20. I am at a Love's in Texas. I'm going to be playing with my RC car today. I'm going to make sure the camera is facing down. You could see the car. Going to change these wheels. Put them on there. So I'll be changing the wheels real quick. And taking my big boy out. Yeah, so I'm going to change the wheels. Let me get the other one. Thinking about buying something on Amazon and then this shit is really man, that shit is tight. Let me get the wrench. This thing is so tight that I'm gonna need the wrench. Let me get the wrench here. Whew. Okay, that's the ball. I'm gonna need the little wrenchy to actually do this. Yeah, just to loosen them up. They that freaking tight. I'm tighten that shit a little bit too much. Alrighty. So what I'm doing is changing the wheels on this thing. My stomach is growling, but I'm not gonna eat anything because so these I'm gonna put them in the back. These are the new ones. These are the new tires. These are the new tires that I bought. I'm gonna put those in the back. It's the front ones that get worn out quick, so these, put them in the back. My stomach is so this is my big truck. So this is what I do when I get to a truck stop, just to relax. Okay, that's that one. I want to make sure the camera is facing down. I'll see how it comes out. Yeah, so today is my anniversary. 60 days living in the truck. Let me get the other one. I don't want to use the new tires. I'm using the old tires for the front. I forgot that I taped this thing down. I'm gonna need my knife. these out. I think these are, well, not this one. This one is, it goes on that side. So that's that side. This would be this side. So one of these is damaged. I think it's this one. I think it's the other one. Whoops. So take this bad boy out and yeah. Don't want to tighten it too tight because it's not good. It's plastic. The rim is plastic. Tighten it too tight, it'll kind of mess up the plastic, and then the tires will be off. You know, they're not metal rims, which would be nice because I have metal. But you know, these are cheap wheels, rims, wheels. Get them for like 20 bucks, for under $20. The tires are rubber, so you get them for like under $20. Okay, so the new one's going on the back. This one. These are the new ones that I bought because one of the front ones got wasted. Yeah. So you want the tread to be going the way it's going to be heading. So it's heading that way. The tread should be that way. I don't want to put the little wheels and then go in the dirt. There's a ramp over there. I'm going to try it out over there. That's good enough. Take out this one. So one of these is damaged. One of these wheels are messed up because yeah, this is the one that's messed up. There's a hole here. It got wasted out from me hitting it so hard on the asphalt, and it kind of wore it out. So let me use this one. I have to be careful not to I mean, the tires cost me like 15 bucks. They don't cost too much, but the hassle of getting them, you know, it's the hassle of getting them from Amazon, having them delivered to the truck stop, and then I got to be waiting around and making sure nobody takes my wheels or my delivery. You know, just a pain in the butt. So try not to. I don't want to waste them out quickly. Okay, so she's ready to go. There she goes. Waiting for the battery to charge up nice and charged. I like to fully charge the battery and then run. So waiting for that. That's my big battery. Big mama. It doesn't even fit inside the truck, so it doesn't even fit in here. That's how big it is. We're going to be using this one. This one is 52. It's 26. Yeah. Just waiting for that to charge up. I'm gonna walk over to Wendy's and get something to eat. Yeah. I should just go over there now and then come back. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go to Wendy's. So by the time I come back, that should be charged.